These plastic beads were once greenhouse gases like methane and carbon dioxide. Called air carbon, they are proof, according to Mark Hermer and Kenton Kimmel, that the gases causing climate change can be extracted from factory emissions and turned into a useful form of plastic. Most plastic products come from oil, but Hermer says the method his company, New Light Technologies, has developed is far better.
With air carbon, what's so cool is that you have a material that would essentially otherwise be floating around in the air. You know, the same carbon that we'd be breathing every day. And so wouldn't you rather be holding a fork made from carbon that you'd otherwise be breathing than oil?
And not just forks. The company is making chairs, plastic sheeting and cell phone cases. New Light's technology extracts carbon from polluted air, liquefies it and rearranges its molecular structure. The result is what Hermer calls a high-performance, cost-effective, carbon-negative thermoplastic.
The environmental implications are the reason that we got through all those early years. Because we knew that if we could make this work, and we were 10 and a half years away from that happening, but if we could make this work, you have a market-based carbon capture process, which means that you don't have to tell someone, to reduce their carbon emissions. You don't have to tax carbon emissions. You're saying if you're producing those emissions, they're now a revenue generator. And on the plastic side, you can actually save money by using a product made from carbon capture. So the environmental implications of that, in our view, are significant, because it means that we're replacing oil with a product that's actually reducing the amount of carbon in the air.
And as concern over the environmental impact of CO2 emissions grows, Hermer says air carbon is a technology whose time has come.